Nityanandam. I am Sonia Patel from Dubai, basically from India, Gujarat. And I am a makeup artist and I own a salon, ladies salon. And now I am here in Paramashivoham, and my guru, my Bhagwan is not only my but for whole universe. He is the only Bhagwan, Sri Paramansa Nityananda. So why I am here attending the Paramashivoham? Because to manifest the powers and to have a lot of breakthroughs and to let the powers flow through me. The power manifestation flow through each and everybody. It can happen. And my third eye, and each of us has to open the third eye. Especially third eye can manifest all the powers like body scanning, healing, especially healing. Healing is like most of the people is looking for the healing, and tremendous healing happens when you flow, when you are super being, like super conscious being. And not every day we go through depression or we go through stress if your third eye is awakened by a master, by an enlightened master, by an avatar. So I don't think any small problems or even big problems can bother you in your life. Like you go beyond those humanly things, and we all, as a Hindu, we all are God and goddesses. So we are not a sinner or something. So we should do all the powers and everything, whatever self. So day to day life, and even including high diseases, you can heal yourself. And for living life, even for especially for the kids, I recommend for the kids. Like I bring my daughter also over here. She's just 12 years old. Last year also I bring her, and now she's a like conscious being. She knows what she's doing. Like nowadays, children are like so unconscious. They don't know what they're doing. Like they just eat, sleep, and just enjoy and party. But rather than this, also we have many more things. Why we assume this body? That the reason nobody knows about it. So we have our enlightenment. We have to work for that. So for the kids, when they go to school, they are not normal kids, normal humans. They can, like for my daughter, she can manifest the power in the classroom, at home, at when she go out and when she meet the people around her. Like she's just a 12, but she's able to talk with lots of people. She don't mind if anybody is doctor or scientist or PM or prime minister even. She can talk with everybody just because the power is manifesting, the confidence what she developed in her life, because she know she is not dependent on somebody, or no stress can bother her. So if anybody wants to have a breakthrough in their life, they should open their third eye by an enlightened master, by an avatar. And right now, only an avatar, Sri Paramansa Nityananda, is there for all of us. So I just recommend all of you to come and enjoy this program and have a breakthrough for your life. Thank you, Nityanandam.